Smile.
Sparkle.
Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Brian.
Arts Bridge, take one.
An upside of this last crazy year was that Katie and I were able to visit so many arts classes virtually all year.
We really met some teachers across the country that we had never talked to before about their kids, arts education, and this sort of brought us into a larger conversation that we've been having for years here at Hushin about bringing together high school educators and our college BFA program chairs for a dialogue.
So we decided to create a totally complimentary,
totally virtual,
week-long professional enrichment workshop series for high school teachers. So we want to focus on tips and tricks of being a teacher in the arts. Also, we really want to focus on how you could better prepare your students for a career in the arts, which is something we really focus on here at Hushin College.
We really want it to be an open dialogue as well. We want to hear from you. What are your students experiencing after their college auditions? What's making them scared potentially to go into the arts? And how can we all have a better conversation about that in the high school classroom and in the college classroom? We will be focusing on all the disciplines that we teach here at Hushin: musical theater,
acting,
commercial dance,
filmmaking,
and myth and storytelling.
And we'll be closing the end of the week with a virtual mixer, kind of meet and greet for teachers across the country where you guys can talk, exchange info, and meet fellow educators.
Please join us for what we hope to be an awesome conversation. We'll see you there.